Lord Chaitanya was dancing in front of Rath Yatra, he recited one verse from a drama. And this drama, it's a love story about two people that fell in love, a man and woman, and they had an illicit relationship in the forest on the bank of a river. And later they became legally married. And after they were married for some time, that lady is pining in separation. She's thinking, oh, now I'm married, and I remember those days when I was with my lover. So this is Lord Chaitanya is dancing in front of Rath Yatra, and he's reciting this amazing verse by some, we don't know, at least I don't know the author of this, some love story. So Lord Chaitanya is dancing in ecstasy in Rath Yatra, and he's saying, Ya Komara Hara Sa Evahi Varas Ta Eva Chaitra Shapas Te Chon Milita Malati Saurabhya Proda Kadamba Nila Sachayavam Vasmi Tatapi Tatra Surata Vyapara Lila Vido Reva Rodasi Vetasi Taru Tale Cheta Samudkantate. Very beautiful. This lover, this lady love, she's remembering all the details, the place, the setting, everything, the feelings, the emotions, the external. It's called the Udipan, and the Vibhav Alamban and Vibhav Udipan. So she's remembering the Vibhav Udipan, and she's remembering the Alamban Premashraya and the Alamban Prem Vishaya, the hero and the heroine. So this is what Lord Chaitanya was singing in front of Lord Jagannath. And the meaning is, Lord Chaitanya is looking at Lord Jagannath, Brajendra Nandan Shyam Sundar, and he's dancing backwards. Like his eyes are like, Lord Chaitanya's eyes are like two bumblebees, two huge dark blue bumblebees, Brahmar, these dark blue bumblebees, and they're just flying, soaring, and right to the big, beautiful, blossoming